2024. The Director General of Nigeria Center for Disease Control, Dr. Jide Idris, disclosed this on Friday at a press briefing in Abuja. Idris said the Nigerian Center for Disease Control was notified by the Kaduna State Ministry of Health of the reports of deaths from suspected viral hemorrhagic fever at the 44 Nigerian Army Reference Hospital in Kaduna in order to change the narratives in Nigeria, starting with Anambra. Royal Land Schools in Omoba decided to take the awareness of Lassa fever to the streets of Anambra State. As at February 18, 2024, end of week 7, 84 local government areas in 23 states of the country have reported a total of 2,621 suspected cases, 476 confirmed, and 84 deaths, with a case fatality rate of 18.6%. Here is a report. Please take a listen. Since May 1st, 2023, Nigeria has been experiencing a large outbreak of Lassa fever.
Hello everyone, my name is Mamunachi. I am here to talk about Lassa fever. Lassa fever is a homogenic illness caused by Lassa virus.
Lassa fever